Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Now, right, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 370 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 266 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,040 indicators, with 432 of them being winners. Alright, so today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, TradingView users are making a fortune with this one simple trick, MDX free indicator. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see if there's actually a fortune to be made with this. I assume what they are saying is strategy. I don't remember in the source video them showing any kind of a trick or anything. It's just simply a strategy. And so, like I said, we'll test it and see what we can get out of it. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the MDX free, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one. And what we'll do is we'll turn off the up arrows and the down arrows right here. And everything else should stay on the default settings. Click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the net volume of positive and negative volume, and it's going to be this one right here. Again, click on that one, add it to the screen, and this one we'll leave on all the default settings. We won't change anything within this one. And then lastly, what we'll do is we'll add the RSI stops to the screen, this one right here. Go ahead and click that, add it to the screen, and under this one, I can't remember if we didn't change anything. Okay. And so that one stays on the default settings as well. All right. So what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for a red diamond to appear like this right here. When we get the red diamond, we're then going to look down to the net volume indicator, and we want it to have a red bar like this here. Once those two line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at this upper red line right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We just kind of bob around there for a moment, then make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for a green diamond like this here. Then we will then look down to the net volume indicator, and we want it to have a blue bar like this here. So as to line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right at this green line right here. And we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. This one takes a moment as well, but we eventually stair step our way up, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 20% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $16,000 for an overall loss of $10,000. So definitely not going to make a fortune with this one simple trick strategy. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 44 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. So definitely better results. And with our position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, we would actually skyrocket that win rate quite significantly up into the high 90%, which means that the total gain would have been closer to the $21,000 mark. And so again, really better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex Indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex Indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex Indicator within an hour. And just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex Indicator, I've developed a second crypto scalping strategy that you can use. Combined with the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, it has achieved a 100% win rate in backtesting over 200 trades and counting. If you are interested in viewing that strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. You can just click on that and it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and you'll click the thumbnail that you see on screen now, which is the thumbnail to that video. And an update on the live account. Today we close out the 16th winning trade in a row. Again, still maintaining a 100% win rate, utilizing the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago and the position management strategy. And so that puts us again at a 100% win rate over the last month. Today we'll close out the first month of trading, and that'll put us up on a gain of the account right around 22%. I'll put a screenshot up of the today's 16th winning trade right now. And so again, really great stuff from the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy. Highly recommend you check it out. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.